Welcome to the best picks. The best Kobalt 24V tools is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless tool systems on the market. These tools offer a compelling blend of performance and convenience, making them ideal for both professional tradespeople and dedicated DIYers. With a wide range of tools available, from drills and drivers to saws and impact wrenches, the Kobalt 24V system provides a comprehensive solution for tackling various projects around the house or on the job site. Number 5. Kobalt 24V Max 18-piece Cordless Oscillating Tool Kit. Tired of being tethered? This cordless tool gives you the freedom to move around without any power cords. It is powered by a 24-volt max battery. This tool is incredibly versatile. You can use it for cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. It's a true multitasker. Don't let the size fool you. This tool is powerful and efficient, with a minimum speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute. It can handle tough materials with ease. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes the power tool, 2 batteries, sandpaper, a screwdriver, a wrench, and a charger. Weighing just 4.41 pounds, this tool is easy to handle. Its compact size makes it perfect for working in tight spaces. What we like. This oscillating tool offers cordless convenience, allowing you to work freely without being tethered to an outlet. Its versatile performance makes it suitable for various tasks, from cutting to sanding. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to get started on multiple projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The oscillating tool works great and easy to use. All tool adapters are included too, a big plus, since the adapters are not cheap to but separately. This tool has as much power as a corded one. Number 4. Kobalt KRC 2445 to 2003 24V Battery Charger. Need a quick charge? This charger can power up your 24V Kobalt Li-ion batteries in only 30 to 60 minutes. It's efficient and gets the job done fast. This charger comes in black and blue. You can choose the color that best matches your tools or your personal style. It's compact and lightweight, weighing less than 1.15 pounds. This makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for any workspace. This charger is designed for Kobalt's 24V cordless tools and batteries. It provides the power you need for all your projects. Built to last, this charger ensures long-term performance. You can depend on it to keep your Kobalt tools powered up. What we like. This charger provides rapid charging for your 24V batteries, minimizing downtime. With the dual color option, you can choose a style that matches your existing tools. If you value efficiency and want to quickly get back to work, this charger is a must-have for your Kobalt tool collection. What people say. Great charger. This gets you back to work. Charges very quickly. Great accessory. Works as new one once did. Number 3. Kobalt 24V Max Brushless Drill with Battery. This is the Kobalt 24V Max Lithium-ion Cordless Brushless Drill. It's a powerful tool designed for various drilling and driving tasks. It comes with everything you need to get started. The drill includes a 24V Max 2.0 Li-ion battery. This battery provides ample power for extended use. It ensures you can complete your projects without frequent recharges. The package includes a charger, belt clip, and a double-ended driver bit. There is also a bit holder and an auxiliary handle. These accessories enhance the tool's versatility and ease of use. A soft bag is included for easy storage and portability. This case protects the drill and its accessories. It keeps everything organized and ready for your next project. This Kobalt drill is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers a combination of power, convenience, and durability. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This drill features a brushless motor, delivering enhanced power and efficiency. It comes with a soft case for easy storage and portability. If you are looking for a powerful and convenient drill for various tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Kobalt 24V tools have a great design and are very comfortable to hold. The battery life on the Kobalt 24V tools is impressive, lasting for extended periods of use. The Kobalt 24V tools offer a wide range of attachments and accessories, making them versatile for various tasks. Number 2. Kobalt 24V Cordless Angle Grinder. Introducing the Kobalt 24V Cordless Angle Grinder. It's a battery-powered design, so you can take it anywhere without being tethered to a cord. This gives you the freedom to work wherever the job takes you. This tool is designed for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're cutting, grinding, sanding, or polishing, it can handle it all with ease. It's a versatile addition to any toolbox. The grinder features a long-lasting brushless motor. It delivers 8,500 revolutions per minute, ensuring smooth and efficient material removal. You'll get the power you need to get the job done right. Built to last, this tool has a robust construction. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the job site. The gray, black, and blue color scheme adds to its rugged appeal. The grinder features a stylish blue finish. It's easy to spot and maintain, so you can keep track of it on the job. It's a tool that looks as good as it performs. What we like. This angle grinder offers the freedom of cordless operation, eliminating the need for power cords. Its powerful motor ensures efficient material removal. If you need a robust and reliable tool for cutting, grinding, and polishing, this angle grinder is a great option. What people say. Needed a cordless grinder, so I added this to my collection. It has pretty good power and easy to use. Not too heavy and has good run time. Number 1. Kobalt 24V Max 6 to 12 inches Cordless Circular Saw. This saw features a 0 to 50 degrees bevel with stops, allowing for versatile and non-traditional cutting. It gives you the flexibility to tackle various angles with ease. Weighing in at just 6.73 pounds, its ultra-compact design makes it easy to handle. You can use it comfortably, even in tight spaces. The electric brake stops the blade rotation immediately when the trigger is released. This feature enhances safety during operation. It comes with a built-in LED light. This feature helps to improve visibility in dimly lit work areas. This saw is compatible with all Kobalt 24V Max batteries. Please note that the battery and charger are sold separately. It is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. This provides you with peace of mind knowing that it is built to last. What we like. This circular saw boasts an ultra-compact design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The electric brake enhances safety by quickly stopping the blade. If you appreciate portability and safety features, this saw is a great addition to your toolkit. What people say. Kobalt makes excellent tools at a fraction of the price of other big names. This saw is packed with extra features, has a solid feel to it, and cuts with ease. Works very well. No problems. Good saw, easy adjust, does not come with a battery charger, but I've got spares from the Drills lawnmower. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.